Hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel's Flores Vlog. At kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe sa aking channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to click the bell button so that kung meron tayong bagong lesson, you will be notified. So ngayon, ang pag-aaralan natin ay Lesson 3 is how do we use article a and an. So, ipapaliwanag natin ito ng Matagalog para mas taintindihan ng ating mga kapwa Pilipino. Okay, do you know that English alphabet consists of 26 letters in all? All of this, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the rest of them known as consonant. Countable nouns can be singular or plural, but an article a and an is used for singular nouns only. So, yung pong countable, yun yung mga nabibilang na noun. So, ginagamit lamang ang a and an sa mga singular noun only. You can use a and an with singular countable noun, and you cannot use singular countable nouns alone without an article. So, ibig sabihin, pag gumamit tayo ng noun, dapat merong a or an. Ano ang countable nouns? All of these nouns are all names of things, and these are singular in numbers and begin with consonant sound. So we have used a because all of these below begin with consonant letters. Example, a banana. This is a. Why? Because this is singular, banana is singular, banana is countable, and this banana begins with consonant letter B. Same as number 2 example, a song. These nouns are also known names of things, and these are singular in numbers, but begin with a vowel sounds. So we have used an because all of them begin with vowels letters. Itong kanina, nagsisimula sa consonant letter. Ngayon naman, yung an, nagsisimula sa vowel letter. Example, an accident, an apple. An accident is begin with A. So, nagsisimula at nag-start po ang accident sa letter A. Kaya, an ang ilalagay natin. Countable and uncountable noun. Example of countable noun. I eat a banana every day. I like bananas. So, I eat a banana every day. So, A dahil banana is singular and banana is countable and banana is begin with consonant letters. So, we use A. But the second example, I like banana. So, itong I like banana, banana plural. Kaya wala siyang A. Kasi yung banana, banana, singular, doon lang po ginagamitan ng a and an. Pag plural na, wala po siyang article. Banana is countable noun. A countable noun can be singular or plural. Sa countable noun at singular, doon lang gagamitan ng article. Sa plural, bananas, walang article. Example of uncountable noun. I eat rice every day. I like rice. So, we do not put article here before the noun rice kasi this is uncountable noun. I like rice. Rice is uncountable. Hindi po nabibilang ang rice, kaya wala siyang article. Uncountable, noun has only one form. Rice. We can use numbers with countable nouns. So we can say 1 banana, 2 bananas. We cannot use numbers with uncountable noun. We cannot say 1 rice, 2 rice. So kapag ka daw numbers, ginagamit lang ito sa nabibilang. Pero katulad ng 1 banana, 2 banana. Pero pagka sa uncountable noun, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin 1 rice, 2 rice. But you can use a bowl of rice, a grain of rice, a cup of rice. Example of countable nouns. Practice. Kate was singing song. So, what is the answer? A or an? Correct. A song. Why? Because song is singular, song is countable, and song begin with consonant letter. So we put A. Another example. There is nice beach near here. What is the answer? Correct. A nice beach. A. Because beach is singular, beach is countable, and beach is begins with consonant letters. So we put A nice beach. So third example, there are no batteries in the radio. What is the answer? None. Correct. No articles. Because batteries is plurals. Batteries are plural, not singular. Marami siya. Pagka plural, ang noun, hindi po natin lalagyan ng article. A or an. We do not have enough cups. What is the answer? None. So we cannot put a or an because cups plural. Cups are plural. Example of uncountable noun. Kate was listening some music. So what is the answer? A, an, or none? Correct, none. Why? Because music is uncountable noun. There is sun in my shoes. What is the answer? A, an, or none? Correct, none. Why? Because sun is uncountable noun. There is no electricity in this house. So what is the answer? A, an, or none? Correct, none. Because electricity is uncountable noun. We do not have enough water. What is the answer? A, an, or none? Correct, none. Why? Because water is uncountable noun. So we can use a and an with singular countable noun. Practice again. Student. What we're going to put? A or an? Correct. A student. Why? Because student is singular. Student is countable. Student begins with consonant letters. So, ang student ay singular, nabibilang, at nagsisimula sa consonant letter S. Example, umbrella. What is the answer? A or an? An umbrella, correct, because umbrella is singular, umbrella is countable, and umbrella begin with vowel sounds. That's why we are going to put an. An R. What we are going to put? A or an? Correct, an R. Why? Because the sounds is Y an, not A, because this is sounds our, silent H. So, if silent H, we use an hour. So, we cross this H. This is the sound hour. So, we put an. So, ang ilalagay natin ay an. Because ang sounds nito, ang basa ng hour ay hour, silent H. University. What is the answer? A or an? A university, correct. Because a university is singular, university is countable, but university begins with U, but the sounds is university, sounds Y. That's why we put A. Kaya A lalagay natin, ang sound niya ay U. Sound Y. We cannot use a and an with uncountable nouns. Practice. Sun. What is the answer? A or an? No article. Yes, why? Because that sun is countable noun. Hindi nabibilang ang sun, kaya wala siyang articles. Music. What is the answer? A or an? Correct, no articles kasi hindi natin nabibilang ang music. Rice, A or an? No articles, correct, because we cannot count rice. But you can often use a bowl of rice, a grain of rice, a cup of sun. Okay, another practice. True or false? I want a banana. True or false? Yes, true. Why? Because a banana. Banana is singular, banana is countable, and banana begin with consonant letter B. Okay, next example. I want banana. Is this true or false? False, yes, because we need to put A. Kasi, ang banana, kailangan lagyan ng article A dahil ito ay singular, ito ay nabibilang, at ito ay nag-uumpisa sa consonant B. So, kailangan lagyan natin ng A. So, this is false. There has been an accident. True or false? True. Kasi, accident is singular, accident is countable, and accidents begin with vowel letter A. There has been accident. True or false? False. Because we need to put an. We can use plural countable noun alone. Kapag plural, ang noun, pwede siyang magsarili. Pwede siyang gamitin alone. I like bananas. So, we don't need to put article. Kasi plural na yung banana. Okay, that is true. Accident can be prevented. True or false? True. Kasi dito yung accident, plural. Accidents can be prevented. Hindi na natin kailangan lagyan ng article. Kasi plural na ang noun. Okay. I eat rice every day. True or false? Yes, true. Because rice here is uncountable. Hindi nilalagyan ng articles. There is a blood on your shirt. True or false? True, because blood here is a noun and blood is uncountable. Can you hear music? True or false? True, kasi music here is uncountable. Now we are going to flat some of the examples that we use to our basic sentence pattern. So, gamitin natin yung isang pattern natin doon sa lesson 1 na tinuro ko noon. Subject plus verb plus object. So, ito yung pattern na gagamitin natin. So, every time na magkakaroon tayo ng lesson, ipa-flat natin siya sa ating pattern. So, kailangan lagi nating alam yung basic sentence pattern. So, subject, verb, plus object. So, noun. Ano-ano yung nakalagay dito sa subject? Ano-ano yung pwede natin ilagay sa subject? Noun. Sa verb, action verb. Sa object, noun din. Okay, ano pa? Pwede nating ilagay sa subject ang pronoun. Verb, linking verb. Object, pronoun. So, Maria eat a banana. I like bananas. You feel an accident. They buy rice. The end. The lesson 3 is the end. And I hope you enjoy the lesson.
Hello friends! If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel's Floris Vlog. Thank you! And do not forget to like and share and click the bell button for your notification. Bye!